we got a 2024 BMW X3 M40i. Sweet ass ride. We gotta upgrade it. We gotta get this thing out of here. Garbage. All right, we're slapping the AFE Momentum GT on there. Gonna make some a little bit more performance. Should make about 15 HP, guys. So if you have a BMW, you're trying to make a little bit more horsepower, air intake, definitely one of my favorite upgrades. Bolt on, keeps the car under warranty, does not mess with the factory settings on the ECU, and just bumps it up the horsepower a little bit. So if you're looking for a nice little upgrade, available at Gexhaust.com. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. We're slapping these on every BMW we do, guys. So this X3 M40i has B58. It's got the 6-cylinder turbo engine. Gio doesn't look too happy about the 6-cylinder turbo. I don't know why. He likes 4-bangers, bro. He likes Japanese 4-bangers. But we're doing a German 6-cylinder right now. We're getting rid of this stuff right here. This is complete garbage. Toss it. And like I said, slapping the AFE on there. Just so you guys see, you got the turbo right here. You got all that turbo intricate parts right there. That's the downpipe. This is the turbo right here. We just basically upgrade this tube right here, and the AFE slaps into this area right here. You got the grommets, AFE box gonna fit in there real nice and snug like. And like I said, trying to make this thing whistle, a little bit more turbo noise, which a lot of people ask for, especially BMW guys. They want to make it sound a little bit more aggressive. So we're slapping this air intake on there and making this turbo 6-cylinder wake up, guys. So shout out to AFE and their quality products. They look sweet. We got the 2024, just showing you guys the interior. As you can see, it's an X series. Pretty sweet. I like how BMW's badging up their cars with their series. So the car, you got carbon fiber with the burgundy red interior. You know, pretty sweet spec. Unfortunately, this is a 2024 without the complete redesign. I don't know how they're getting away with it. I don't know why people are buying the non-updated models, but BMW, shout out to you guys, you know, for selling the 2024s with the upgrade and without the upgrade. So I mean, you know, get what you can from BMW. My recommendation, go get yourself a Benzo and get a complete redesign every time. So yeah, man, we got the M stitching. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you got the M stitching on the steering wheel, M badging here, M badging in the back. Not technically an M car, but it does say M. So I mean, maybe you guys in the BMW community can help me out. Is it an M car or is it not an M car? It says M340, but it's not an M3. And it's not an X3M, but it's an M340i X3, which is crazy to me, but you know, yeah, whatever. So you got the Harman Kardon and then the ambient lighting pretty much everywhere throughout the whole car. So even BMW, they know when the hood's open. You guys can see right there, closed message, hood open, close that thing. Engine compartment hot. They're working on it. BMW knows, guys, they know. So yeah, that's the interior of this X3 M40, and I'll show you guys the back real quick. We did a Muffy D on this thing already. We did a resonator delete. We got the factory tips on there. Customer's probably gonna come back, do some M Performance quads on the back, and I'll fill out that cutout pretty sweet. As of right now, it's got these unique shaped looking tips. You know, not a huge fan, but it does look good for the bumper. And later on, customer was mentioning he's going to upgrade the diffuser, get this piece right here, carbon fiber. We'll match the rest of the carbon fiber trim on the car. So yeah, that's the X3 M40 M40i X tray. So X3 M40i, that's how you say it. Thanks, BMW. Got the BMW all done, air intake stage 2Zs on the M. My bad, one more time. All right. Got the BMW done, got the AFE stage 2 air intake on there. Got the XM340 440i, you name it, it's there. It's the same thing. Doesn't matter, guys. So we got the AFE in there. Looks sweet. Got the blue filter. You guys can see it. It's making power, guys. We're all about making power at Gexhaust. Customer's happy. He looks happy, bro. You know, he looks happy, right? Gio, give me some revs. Let's hear this thing. Sick. So shout out to Gexhaust, shout out to AFE, and check us out on Instagram, YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, and hit us up if you got any questions, if you need a quote. We're answering DMs 24/7, guys. Gexhaust out.